Hi, 7th grade teachers. I'm going to do a March bully lesson walkthrough tutorial for you. It seemed to be very good for the February one. Got a lot of really good feedback. Thank you for your feedback if you submitted it. One of the big things was you had too much for the time that you had, which is a great problem to have. I'm hoping that by breaking it down by the time, it gives you a good idea of your pacing in the lesson. To start, have your students break up into groups of 4 or 5, just like last one. You need a scribe and a piece of paper per group. That should take you 1 or 2 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes, the next activity, the opening activity. In groups, you need to create the definition of the word gossip and the definition of the word rumor. Gossip and rumor, you can write them on the board. You can just tell them out loud. I hope they can remember those 2 words, but have them share the results after they're done. See if you can come up with some sort of general definition. Your talking points as you go along. Gossip refers to talking about someone or something with another person or a group of people. A gossip may be truthful, it may be false. Gossip is just talk. You're not specifically spreading anything that is a specific piece of information. Rumors refer to spreading specific information about someone or something that has not been verified. In other words, it may be truthful, it may be falsehood. Rumor is spreading lies. You might want to bring up how rumors and gossip get spread. Ask them to talk about ways in which they get spread or areas in which they get spread, the locker room, the internet, phones, whatever it is. That should give you 6 minutes at least to come up with those 2 things, to talk about those 2 things. The next question, which is only very short, is why do people start rumors? And this is put in there to try to connect this month to last month. Give them time to discuss why do people start rumors, and even if it's just out loud, try to give them a second to talk about it, and then reflect back to the class. The biggest thing that you need to bring up is with cyberbullying and with the rumor and lies is that there is an exchange of power. So please stress that. 2 minutes for the next activity and 3 minutes for reflection of the next activity. Have a student come to the front of the class on a table or a desk in clear sight so that all students can see. That student needs to squeeze out a tube of toothpaste. And this is your choice as to whether you explain what is supposed to be happening in terms of how it relates to gossip and bullying, or whether you leave it open. I would prefer to leave it open and just do the activity, and the kids are going to be wondering what in the world is going on, why are you doing this? At the end, give the students a chance to reflect with this group, and the question is, how does the activity relate to the spreading of rumors and gossip? The idea here is that it's easy to put the words out there, it's darn near impossible to take them back. So that's the one thing with that. The next video is 4 minutes, and the reflection for the remaining time should take you pretty good. Those are 2 YouTube videos that you're going to want to have queued up at the beginning. One of them is, like I said, is about 4 minutes, and the other one is about 2 minutes. The last one, if you are running perfectly on time and everything, you shouldn't need the last one. If you need filler, the last one is there. And so you're going to need to judge the last 10 minutes of your lesson based on what's happened so far, how long it's taken kids to get up and discuss and everything. So today, for this one, there's a filler one, but there is a point at which you can stop if you need to. So I hope this is helpful. Make sure you have those YouTube videos queued up at the beginning of class. One of them, I think, features an ad definitely, so you're going to want to at least start that and get through the ad before you play it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. This should be a pretty good one, so good luck.